What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're gonna troubleshoot some issues with the BMW F10. This is the 535i, and the AC isn't blowing as cold as it used to. And I mean, the car is practically brand new, you know, as far as, you know, not much use. So it's kind of weird why the AC wasn't blowing so cold. So we checked it, and it was a little low on Freon. So we put some dye in the system to kind of check to see where it was leaking from or what was going on. I couldn't find any major leaks, and the AC started, you know, wasn't so bad, and it got cold out, so it's hard to test. So now that it's kind of warm out, we go, and here, I believe this is the high side. Let's open that up. And if you can see in there, there's nothing showing up. I put a little bit of soapy water in there to see if anything was leaking, but it doesn't look like it's leaking from there. So let's close that up, and let's go to the low side. I believe the other one's the low side. And close that. Now, when you look at the low side here, when you open it, voila, you can see right away the dye is showing up, and we can see in there
the bubbles.
Well, the bubbles, but then we also have some dye, and you can see the dye showing through.
Oh yeah, you're right, the dye is showing up right away.
Yeah, so Al found this kit on Amazon, which allows us to change the valve out without having to discharge the whole system. So that's really cool. So we're going to show you guys how we're going to do it, and stay tuned. Alright, so Al has the part for the low side, and what he's going to do is attach it to the clip.
That's it.
The connector there. Hold on, let me just go on the other side so you can see what he's doing. And then it locks in, and then this way it allows you to unscrew the valve, and then once you pull it up, it locks down and creates a seal, so it doesn't let any more of the gas out or the Freon.
It's funny, I don't feel the pressure. There you go, I feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, didn't get it yet. Did not get it.
So you open back up the valve, you push it down.
I can actually feel the pressure.
I think I can hear it.
Yeah. Nope, did not get it yet. Wow. God.
Well, I guess all that pressure is building up in the, in the line.
Come on, I gotta have it now, right? Still don't have it. Damn. That sucks.
Wow, we must have a lot of threads in that one. Hopefully we have the right one to replace it with.
It's got a lot of them inside.
Yeah, we'll match it up. So we figured out it needed the bigger tool for the top of the BMW valve. Oh, and there you go. There's the valve that fits in to the circle. So if you move your hand out so they can see, like there's a ball check, so it shoots out through that, and once you close it off, then you can pull it out, and then you can switch that out, and then you do it vice versa. You'll open it, slide it back down, and screw it in. But now we run into another problem, which is it comes with a bunch of different ones,
And none of them fit. So we're gonna need to get the correct one.
so I don't see the exact type as that one, so I'm gonna probably look and see if we can find one. So we're probably gonna end up putting that one back on for now.
That's correct.
But you know, it works. This is great. Like if you find out that you have a leaky valve, instead of vacuuming out the whole system, you can use this tool and you can screw everything back down and lose very minimal, if any, of the AC coolant. So that's awesome. So I'll put a link down below. You know, we tried it out, and actually we tried it on the F-150 because that had a leaky valves, and it worked great. So definitely a worthwhile buy if you are having this issue. It's definitely an option to try instead of having to switch out the whole thing. So we're gonna tighten that back up. I'm gonna have to go see where I can get the right valves for this, and we'll go from there. Maybe I can just get the rubbers for it, and we can switch the rubbers off that valve. Maybe, we'll see. But cool little item to check out. I do like it. Check the description below if you're interested in it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe.